Hello and welcome to another video, where we will be presenting a new product, the NOx Shield for Arduino. Not only is it a wideband lambda sensor, but it will also measure nitrogen oxides or NOx. If you have used the lambda shield, you will find it's just as easy to use. As we will demonstrate in this video, you will get up and running in just a couple of minutes. But first we're going to have a look at the sensors, as it can be confusing. We have focused on the Bosch EGS-NX series of NOx sensors as they are widely used. Others may be compatible, but so far this is not something we have verified. First of all, there are two types of sensors, 12 volt for automobiles and 24 volt for trucks, construction and agricultural equipment. Second, they can either be using a standardized communication protocol, SAE J1939, or it can use a proprietary closed communication protocol. On the right, we have an example of a 24 volt sensor from a truck using the standardized protocol. It is compatible with the NOx Shield. In the middle, we have a BMW branded 12 volt sensor using a proprietary communication protocol. Unless these types of protocols become available, they will not work with the NOx Shield. To the left, we can compare them with a traditional lambda sensor. Next, we will compare the datasheets as they differ slightly in the range of operation. As you can see on the underlined parts, the traditional wideband lambda sensor can operate down to a lambda value of 0.65, but the NOx sensor cannot operate under such rich conditions, below a lambda value of 0.8. Also notice that the NOx particles can only be measured for lean gases with an excess of oxygen. As always, you find all the information you need on the product website, for example the code used in this video. Simply copy and paste the code to your Arduino sketch. If you get an error of a missing CAN library, you can install it from the library manager. Upload the code to the Arduino, no programming required. Now I will demonstrate how easy it is to connect everything. Start by attaching the NOx Shield to your Arduino. You will find that the connector is numbered in a way that it corresponds with the numbers on the shield. Pin 1 of the connector connects to pin 1 on the shield. Make sure you do not leave exposed strands, as it may be hazardous. Once all the lead wires are safely secured in the screw terminal, you can remove the plastic protection on the sensor and connect it. Notice that the connector uses a secondary locking. Connect USB and power supply corresponding to the rating of your sensor, 12 or 24 volt. Once the heater LED is on, the sensor is operational and you will see the serial output from the sensor. Before using the NOx Shield, always read the technical manual. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.